Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen at Cine Expo LA. We are at the GENTREE booth, which is the battery that I use on my rolling interview stand. And today we have these two nice people that are going to talk about the battery lineup. They are made in South Korea. I have four of them on my rolling interview stand. So just want to let them do the talking, and I'll be behind the camera. But it's South Korea made, government draft tested, made with Samsung cells, very robust. They do a demo, which we did at NAB, where we dropped them, but they are really, really robust batteries. So.
Hi, I'm Sehun.
Hi, I'm Sammy.
We're Gentry. We're making batteries, wide range of batteries, like from this small one and like this big monster one too. This small battery it can source 12 amps and it have one D-tap and one USB-C, can source up to 60 watt. And also all of our batteries pass the US military drop test. And we have 12 amps batteries for regular B mount. We have 15 amp models. We have 22 amp models. Also, we have 26 amp models too. It's the world largest one battery. Also, we have gold mount too, atom power mount. So you can choose any mount you want from us. And also we have very brand new one. It's a B mount, B as a boy, for Alpha 35. Also we have three capacited model for 160, 290, 390. 160 is for air flight, 290 and 390 is for your long time shooting. Also we have this we call it this batteries beast battery. We have two D-taps can source up to 6 amps, and also we have two USB-C PD 3.0 output can source up to 6 watt each. This is power converter or power distributor. It can source up to 1,344 watt with 4 Monster batteries and 1 Penta 1200. 4 battery, the Penta 112 switching up to 48 volt with 4 Monster battery, but 4 Monster battery is a regular B mount. That means it is 14.0 batteries. As you can see, it is a regular V mount. So you can pull it out from here, put on your camera or monitor or small light anywhere you want. And also it have 3 output, 2 3-pin XLR for aperture 112 or Iris sky panel, and we have one big outlet. It is a high output outlet, so we can source up to 28 amps. So you can pull it out from here, can attach to Evoke 112 or Dyno 112 or Philips Q10. Like, name it. Name every lighting, like, which consume 1200 watt. So also it is can attachable on the tripod with quick clamp. You can attachable this way or this way too. I told you, wherever you want, you can attachable with quick clamp. Let me show you something. Come over here. Here is we call it monster kit. 1 Penta 112 and 4 batteries and 1 charger. We call it monster kit. And you can see we pull it out from here. It is directly linked to this Dyno 112. It is still working, right? And as you can see, I told you we have 3 outlet from on its front side, and we have display and button. Display, and on display, we are displaying this state of discharging and state of output of batteries. And you can check every data from this monster kit. And also, we have quick clamp its bottom, so you can mountable as I showed you with this clamp. And also, we have beep on and off switch. Some people might don't like low battery alarm sound disturbing their work. So if you don't like it, just turn it off. And if you want to get alarm, just turn it on again. It's up to you. And also, we demonstrating at Cine Gear with this kit on Nalux booth and Crimson's booth. That means they're guaranteed our stuff. Please check this out. Thank you.